A land surveyor plays a vital role in determining the boundaries and dimensions of a particular piece of land. They use specialized equipment and techniques to accurately measure and map out the land, ensuring that all legal requirements are met. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, land surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid development and expansion of the area. As new construction projects arise, the need for accurate land surveys becomes even more essential. One of the well-known names in the field of land surveying in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, is SCON Design. SCON Design is a reputable company that specializes in providing top-notch land surveying services to clients in this area. With their team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors, they have earned a solid reputation for delivering accurate and reliable results. They understand the importance of precise measurements and detailed mapping when it comes to land surveying, and they strive to exceed client expectations with every project they undertake. When hiring a land surveyor in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, it is important to choose a company that has a deep understanding of local regulations and requirements. SCON Design has extensive knowledge of the specific land surveying regulations in this area, ensuring that all surveys conducted are compliant with the necessary guidelines. This attention to detail and commitment to quality sets them apart from other surveying companies in the region. Whether you are a property developer, architect, or homeowner in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, working with a professional land surveyor like SCON Design can save you time, money, and potential legal issues in the long run. By accurately mapping out your land and identifying any potential boundary disputes or encroachments, you can avoid costly mistakes and ensure a smooth construction or renovation process. Boundaries and measurements of a certain piece of property are crucially determined by a land surveyor. They measure and map the land precisely, making sure that all legal criteria are met, using specialist tools and methods. Due to the area's quick development and expansion, land surveyors are highly sought for in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. Accurate land surveys are increasingly important when new development projects are developed. SCON Design is among the well-known names in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon's land surveying industry, a reputable business that excels at offering consumers in this region first-rate land surveying services is SCON Design. They have a strong reputation for providing accurate and trustworthy results because to their team of highly qualified and experienced surveyors. In terms of land surveying, they are aware of the significance of accurate measurements and thorough mapping, and they make it a point to go above and beyond for their clients on each assignment. It's critical to pick a land surveyor in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, who has a comprehensive awareness of neighborhood laws and standards. SCON Design has in-depth understanding of the region's unique land surveying rules, guaranteeing that all surveys carried out comply with the relevant standards. They differ from other surveying firms in the area,